Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add multiple blog pages on Wix. So guys, if you want to start creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description down below. So now guys, with that said, once you are on Wix, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and click on all sites over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on your site. And from here, it will redirect you to the dashboard. And after that, just simply click on edit site at the top right over here. From here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on pages and menu over here on the left side of the screen. From here, just simply click on add page. And after that, you should be able to see here down below blog. So click on this. And from here, just simply click on add Wix blog. And from here, just wait for it to load as Wix process this page. And from here, you should be able to see your blog. So if you want to manage the post, you can just simply click on the blog and click on manage posts. And from here, you should be able to be redirected to the dashboard. And after that, in order for you to add more blog, just simply click on create new post over here on the top right. And after that, just simply provide a catchy title and a writing. And down below, you should be able to use AI as well. So it will be depending on you. So I'm going to try to write with AI. I'm going to go for topic. And from here, just simply describe the topic. And after that, just simply click on next. And from here, just simply provide your preferences and click on next. And just simply provide the title and click on create post and let AI do the work. And from here, you can just simply proofread this and change the necessary information. And after that, you can just simply add an image as well, or you can create post again. And now just simply click on save and click on publish over here. And after that, you should be able to add another blog post, and you can just simply click on create a new post over here and add another one. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.